In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and personalize Notion AI in your workspace. Hi everyone, let's explore Notion AI settings so you can set up your AI workspace effectively and get more done with less effort. First, open your Notion settings. Look for Settings and Members, then head to the Notion AI section. Depending on your workspace, it may simply be labeled AI. This is the control center for everything we're about to turn on. If you don't see these options, you might be in a workspace where permissions are limited, so make sure you're working from a space that allows AI settings. Before enabling features, check your plan. Notion AI features are available on the business plan, which unlocks the full set of tools. If you're on a free trial, you'll still be able to experiment, but the number of AI responses will be limited. It's helpful to know this upfront so you can plan how you want to use AI day to day. Now let's enable the core AI features. Turn on Write, Ask, and Chat to give yourself on-demand assistance anywhere you work. Write helps you draft and improve text. Ask lets you query your notes and pages. And Chat provides a conversational assistant you can call on for quick help. While you're here, enable Meeting Notes so AI can summarize meetings for you. This is especially useful for follow-ups and sharing key points with teammates. Then, enable Research Mode. With this on, AI can search across your workspace to pull relevant pages and context, helping you gather information faster without leaving your documents. Next, decide whether you want AI web search. Turning this on lets AI bring in up-to-date information from the web to complement your workspace content. If you want more control, toggle. Require confirmation so AI asks before visiting external pages. This helps maintain privacy and ensures you know when content is being pulled from outside sources. Let's personalize your AI so it fits your style. Pick a name, an accessory, or a style for your assistant. You can also choose a template or customize how AI responds. Things like tone, level of detail, and formatting preferences. This keeps your outputs consistent with your team's voice and your own workflow. Finally, set up AI connectors if you use other tools or want deeper workspace knowledge. Connect supported apps or your internal knowledge to give AI more context for smarter suggestions. Workspace owners can manage team AI connections to keep everything organized and compliant. And that's how you can set up and personalize Notion AI in your workspace. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.